Yeah, yeah. Thumbnail. Thumbnail.
Trying to right here.
Yeah. Y'all, as the beat goes on, Yep. It's wedding day. It's wedding day for another one of our clients. Congratulations to the bride and groom. And also, we thank you for choosing our services. We got the Sprint about to pull up and get this party on the road today, man. It is rainy out here in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area. We got Hurricane Debbie on the way. But it hasn't really been as severe as everyone thought it would be. It's a lot of rain on and off, but not too severe, and let's hope it stays that way. Right now, it's not even raining right now. But every now and then we get heavy rain, then light rain, and heavy rain, and light rain, then no rain. So let's hope that it be no rain for the next 4 or 5 hours while we get this wedding party to their destinations and while they enjoy their big day. And I'm here to catch some behind the scenes, take y'all behind the scenes of what goes on in my company, running a luxury chauffeur transportation company. So let's get it. Destination we are at is Hurricane on the Bay. Close to right near the water. Hurricane Holler. Never actually been inside here, but this looks like a dope spot. Wedding Chanel and James. Let's see which way. Which way did we go? Did we go left? Did we go right? I don't know. Maybe it's, I'm guessing it's this way. Yeah, wedding and events. Let me find out where I need to pull up at. Man, my wife would love this view right here on the water. Wow. Look at that. And just like that, we rolling. Congratulations in advance.
Isn't this fitting? This is amazing. Yeah.
Must admit, y'all, we knocked it out the park again. Man, we got them there safe, which is most importantly. But shout out to Mrs. and Mr. Cruz. Congratulations on you guys' wedding. For sure, for sure. It's newlyweds, man. Keep that love going on. Keep that love going on. But yeah, that's going to be the end of this video, guys. I appreciate y'all. If y'all tuned in and watched the full video, leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all think. Should I continue to show the behind the scenes of what goes on? You know, with the cars and the clients and everything like that? Let me know. Let me know. I enjoy just coming out and, you know, with my guys and my team and filming. Look, I want to continue it on. Let me know if I'm doing something good, man. I'm doing y'all some good service, rocking out with me at work. Yeah, taking y'all to work with me, right? All right, I'll see y'all in the next one. Stay positive, stay motivated. Salute.